Hello, Garland ISD families. The Library Media Services Department would like to share with you 3 ways that you can access your school's library catalog, as well as how to place a book you'd like to read on hold. The first way I'm going to show you is from the Garland ISD website. Once you get to garlandisd.net, in the search bar at the top, you can type in library and hit the magnifying glass. From here, your search results, you want to look for the second one, Destiny Library Catalog. After clicking on that, you want to click on the maroon bar that says Open Destiny Library Catalog. From here, you will see a list of all the schools in Garland. Now, we're not going to place a book on hold just yet, but I do want to show you how to search. So in order to search, you're going to need to click on the name of your school to see what your library has. Once you get to your school's library page, and you'll know if you're on the right one because it'll say the name of your school in the top, you'll see Home and Catalog. We're going to click on Catalog, and this is where you search. You can type in the name of the book if you know exactly what you want. You can press title and enter after you do that. If you're not sure the name of the book, but you do know what you want to read about, for example, cats or cars, you can type that in and press keyword or subject. If you have a favorite author, you can also type in their name and click author. For this example, I'm going to type in The Popular Dog Man. From here, you'll get your search results and you'll see exactly what your library has to offer. On the left side, it'll show you the record, the name of the book, the author, and even a book cover. And on the right-hand side, it'll show you how many of those books your library has and how many are available. For example, for the first Dogman book, we have 3 copies of it, but 0 of them are available right now. Dogman and Cat Kid, we have 2 copies, and 1 of them is available right now. Whether it says 0 are available, or 1, or 2, or 3 are available, you are still able to place that book on hold if you would like it. If you change your mind and Dogman's not the book you want, you can click Catalog or Library Search in order to get back to that first page. The next way I want to show you to search is from your school's website. When you are on your school's website, if you hover over Academics, you will see Library. Click Library and scroll to the bottom to find Library Catalogs. You'll want to click on the hyperlinked and underlined word Schools Library Catalog. From here, you'll go right back to that same page we just saw from the Garland ISD website. Again, to search for what your school has to offer, be sure and click on your school's name, and then Catalog. The final way to search for your school's library page is from your librarian's Canvas page, which they will be sharing with you soon. When you get to your librarian's Canvas page, which might look different from this one, you will notice some buttons underneath. You want to look for the button that says Library Catalog and click on that. From there, it'll take you right back to the search page. Now, in order to put a book on hold, after clicking on the name of your school, you are going to need to log in. Now, you don't want to use this one that says log in using your Destiny account. That's just for the school librarian. You want to click this one that says log in using your account with your GISD username and password. So you're going to click on this blue rectangle. Once you click that, it is going to take you to the Ready Hub. And you might have noticed a weird screen popped up there. I just clicked on the word here and it took me to the Ready Hub. Hopefully yours will take you straight to the Ready Hub. If not, you can also click on the word here. From there, you will log in using your Ready Hub credentials. I'm going to log in with mine. Once it authenticates your account, it's going to take you right back to that library page. Now, since I'm the school librarian, my screen looks a teeny bit different. I don't just have Home and Catalog at the top. I have a few other options, but I can still show you how to put that book on hold. So again, when you want to search, you want to click on Catalog. And I'm going to use Dogman again and press enter. And here we are again. Now, there are 0 Dogmans in the library right now, but can I put it on hold? Yes, you can. So if this is the one you really, really want, you can click Dogman or you can click Details. Either one is fine. You have a picture of the book, the name of the book, what the book's about, and then if you go all the way over to the right, you are going to click on the word Hold It. And then save. That's it. Now your librarian is notified that you would like that book and they will hold it for you and get it to you as soon as possible. I hope this information was very helpful to you. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to your school librarian. Have a great day.